Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy VOO on Vanguard. First, log into your Vanguard account using their website or mobile application. Make sure your account has enough available cash to cover your desired investment. Then, locate the buy and sell section, which is typically found on your main dashboard or through a navigation menu. This is where you'll initiate all your investment transactions. Once in the buy and sell area, you'll need to find the VOO ETF. Use the search function and type in VOO to quickly locate it. Double-check that you've selected the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, as there might be similar-sounding options. Take a moment to review the current market price and see how many shares are available for purchase. Now it's time to place your order. You can choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which lets you set a specific price. Decide how many shares you want to purchase, or if you prefer, enter a specific dollar amount you wish to invest. Always preview your order details thoroughly to ensure everything is correct before moving forward. The final step is to confirm and complete your purchase. Carefully review all the information one last time: the VOO ticker, the number of shares, and the estimated total cost. Once you are confident, submit your order. You will then receive a confirmation of your transaction, which is important to keep for your personal investment records. Congratulations on your new investment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.